My people, my beautiful people, let me reduce this my music. My beautiful people, you are highly blessed and you are favored. I want to shortly do this video. It's important. My work is to create an alertness and say what I think I know. We don't need prophets to tell us the right thing these days. There is Spirit of God in every one of us. We have conscience. We have common sense. And making common sense is not just by saying it, it's by doing it. What I did recently is what I'm trying to see if some people can as well do the same. As I am encouraging people in my own town and in my village to start to cultivate, to do gardening. There are different ways that one could get gardens done. Because I don't believe anything will happen. But we shouldn't wait until something happens. We should be more clever and more clever. We should be able to learn from the past. The major thing in Merendi Igbo is kwashoko. The major problem I had those days, according to the history that I heard, was hunger. Hunger dealt with our people. And what these people has done already is to block every entrance of food. Already now, the way I am perceiving things going, there will be no need for war. They will finish us with hunger. We don't even have farm. We don't even have land. To even cause the one I'm with, nothing is done there. Please create a kind of advocate or activist voice to your people, to your own people, to your own village people, to your own town people, to your own siblings. Because some of us are not outside. We might not experience this to that, I don't know what Satan is intending. But one thing I know is that when you don't need so we have to be wise and wise up. And the only thing I'm doing this video is to encourage us to plant garden. Because garden gives us even a half plot of a land. You can do it in 3 dimensions or in 4 dimensions. You can have 4 proportions or 4 different space in half plot of land. I have done it before and I know it is possible. And when you start it, God will order your steps to do better. Some other people might see it and do. So what I'm trying to do, because some of our village people are not even, they don't have internet. Some of them with internet. Those that have internet wouldn't even have enough money to browse and hear what I'm saying. So I'm depending on you who is watching. Maybe you are probably you are staying outside Nigeria. If you are living outside Nigeria, you do what I did. I'm also living in Germany, but recently I've called my people, pushing them to do small cultivation, because there might be no war. Actually, I don't believe there will be war or there will be a fight, but there will be hunger. There will be hunger. And this is what I perceived in my spirit. So it will cost me nothing to do video on that. If possible, spread this news. Let our people avoid this plan of kwashoko that they want to apply on us. And it will be dangerous and deadly. May it never be our portion. Chineke aye ekwe n'afa Jesus. Chineke abịama ga na-eche ụmụ ya. Ọ ga-eche anyị bụ ndị Igbo. Ọ ga-eche onye ọbụla ka onye ọbụla na-akpọkwa afọ ya ọ ga-eche anyị ncha niile nye anyị mmeri, especially this hunger of a thing, all the deadly ọjọka. May it never be our portion. Amen. Ya ka ọ dị mbọsị ọzọ, just gbasa ozi ya, and thanks for watching.